Okay, let's see if this one starts. Oh yes. Or not.
I wish I could remember. My body's missing pieces. Can't pull it all together. My body's missing pieces. I wish I could remember.
The fuck, wat doe je? Ja, bro, het is er ook. The fuck? Not sure if he even saw me. Wat is het ergens? Ja, net niet man, net niet. Maar een mooie video.
Achterband is nog koud, man.
Oh ja, niet ja, is goed. Doe niet meer. Oh. That was the police. Let's see if they turn around. Hij voelt wel extra gay, man. Yeah, I think it's slower. Here it stops at around 25. Okay, let's see. As long as it goes way below 25, it's okay. But as long as the actual speed is below 25, it's okay. The speed machine. I hope the angle is okay. Maybe it should be a bit lower. Okay, let's see. Is there... these speed bumps are gonna make it hard to get to this top speed. But I think this is the top speed. Wait, let's... I don't know if that's slow enough. Okay, 21. The speed bumps are so fucked up. Okay, 26, 25. No, 28. Still too fast. What the fuck? Maybe I should try another app too, but I'm afraid it's still too fucking fast. Speed machine.
And I'm drowning in regret. When the lights come down, got an empty crown.
Not sure if it's
My body's missing pieces. Can't pull it all together. My body's missing pieces. I wish I could remember. My body's missing pieces.